Hello everyone, this is Dr. Satheesh Kumar, Associate Professor in the Department of Information Technology, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Hyderabad. Today I'm going to start about the new session, the principles of artificial intelligence. In that, we are going to see the topic introduction of artificial intelligence. Let's start now. So, in the introduction of the artificial intelligence, today we are going to see about the what is the artificial intelligence exactly, just why and goal of the artificial intelligence, what is AI composed of, from the word of intelligence, what we are going to compose, that we are going to see in the what is AI composed of. Then next one is the history of AI. Then last one is the various applications of AI. Let's start. Before the starting, just everyone know the common definition of the artificial intelligence. So before starting the definition of the artificial intelligence, just I am going to split into two. Okay, so this one, the first and second one, intelligence. The first word is artificial, the second one is intelligence. So what is mean by artificial? The man-made. A man-made. So which one the different machines going to be made by the human? That is the artificial. Artificially, just we are going to make some machines, a different kind of machines. For example, the laptop, computers, mobiles, various tabs, everything. So, which one are made by the human? That is different machines. That is the artificially are going to be made. The second one is intelligence. So, what is the intelligence? Which one is made by the human? That machine should be having some think like a human. That machine should be a think like a human. That is a thinking power. Thinking power. Okay, so now, so what is exactly the definition of the artificial intelligence means? Get together the man-made and thinking power. So what is mean by artificial intelligence? Man-made thinking power. Okay, so this one is the exact definition of artificial intelligence. So from this the concept, the different authors they are given the definition for the artificial intelligence. So what is that one? It is a branch of a computer science by which we can create intelligence machines. Okay, so what machines is we are going to make or made, that machine should be act like a human, think like a human, and they have own ability of decision making. That machine should have in the decision making. Okay, so that is the exact definition of the artificial intelligence from the different authors. Okay, so next one, what is this? This one makes us a very important thing of the artificial intelligence. Just we no need to any program for making the machines to do some task. Okay, so the program means as a normal. Okay, normally just if you are having any task, any problems, just we are writing some codes using the different languages, right? So for making artificial intelligence machines, there is no need of any specific programs to making artificial intelligence. Okay, so what we exactly we need to making the artificial intelligence machines means that a programmed algorithm. Okay, so this one. Okay, so program algorithm is different from the normal program. Alright. So we need only the program algorithm. Using this program algorithm, just we are going to make some a machine that should be work with own intelligence. Okay, so this is these two points just we have to keep in our mind before just we are going to start the learn about the artificial intelligence. Okay, and also just what we made using the artificial intelligence, we should think these 2 points. Okay, so the next one is what is this one is nothing but the different authors they given the different definition for the artificial intelligence. Okay, so the John McCarthy, so he is the author of artificial intelligence, right? So he is given the definition for the AI also. Okay, the science and engineering of making intelligent machine, especially computer program. Okay, just already before the slide I said that what we need for exactly going to design the one AI machines, right? So same thing, just given the definition for the AI. Okay, the second and Leon. Okay, so and also given the own intelligence. Okay, the machine what the human making, that machine should be having the ability of to own thinking power. Okay, that quality should be having that AI machine. Okay, so how the human are thinking. Okay, if you're having some problem, how the human are think and how they are making some decision for reaching some solution. Like that, that machine also should be think. Okay, so get together with the different definition. They given the short definition again. Okay, the implement human intelligence into machine. Okay, so that is a creating system that understand, think, learn, and behave like a human. Okay, so what the man going to be make into the machine, that machine should be understand the exact problems. Okay, how it will be think by what is the exact problem solution, then learn. Okay, gain the knowledge about the particular problem. So it should be like I think behave like a human and should be solve the particular problems. So this one is the exact definition, the exact concept of the artificial intelligence from the different author, right? Okay, the next one is the why and goal of artificial intelligence. Why we nowadays we are having the artificial intelligence concepts in our recent day-to-day lives. Okay, so with the help of the AI, just we can create the software or any devices. It should be that solve your real world problems. Okay, that particular artificial machine, it should be solve some particular or some specific problems. It having the own ability of the thinking power. Okay, so it should be then the different fields they are using to solve. Example, the health issue, marketing, the traffic issues, then banking sectors, different organizations, different industries, they are using the AI nowadays, right? So that with the help of the AI, you can create your personal virtual assistants like your Google Assistant, the Google Map, and very recently there was a very famous in the Chat GPT, right? Using the Chat GPT, just we can get exactly what we need. Okay, so that is the second one. Second need of the artificial intelligence. So, like the third one is you can build the own robots for the human help. Okay, for the first robotics made by the human is Elisa. Everyone know that the Elisa, right? So that should be the help how the human is thinking and doing some specific problem. Same thing that Elisa robots, it will be did whatever we are giving the instructions. Right? Based on the instruction, it will act and it will lead. This is first robotics in our world, Elisa, right? So like that, it will be there. So different need of artificial intelligence. Okay, so now we have the so many new technologies and new devices and new opportunities based on the AI. Okay, so based on the source of the AI, we have the different domains like machine learning, deep learning, data science, neuro NLP, etc. Okay, so this is the need of the artificial. Why we need the exact artificial intelligence in nowadays in our day-to-day life. The next one is the goal of artificial intelligence. Okay, the replicate the human intelligence. Okay, already we have seen that what is artificial intelligence. The man-made of having this of thinking power. Okay, so how the human intelligence having we have like that, the machine should be the I think it should be observe the environment through the some sensor and act. Okay, so they solve knowledge incentive, solve the knowledge and incentives the task. Okay, if you are having some specific problems, it should be gain the knowledge about the particular problem and it should be solved. Okay, so the next one is the intelligent connection and perception and access. Or what is a perception? It should be we having human having some eyes, nose, ears, and mouth. Everything is we having to sense some other things. Okay, like that is a machine. The AI machine also having some perception to gathering the knowledge and sensing of the environment and should be act based on the problem statements. Okay, so building the machine which the, do some perform some specific task means just we having some certain criteria, right? So the providing a theorem and paying just plan some surgical operations, drive coordinate traffic. Nowadays the AI will act in all the fields. Wherever just you go, just we can use, we can see, we can analyze the artificial intelligence usages. Okay, so learning new things by himself. Okay, so what we are going to make in the machine that should be having the learn their own. Okay, so that is the last one. Learn new things itself, demonstrate, explain, and can advise to the some particular users. Okay, the next one is that the intelligence composed. How and what is a artificial intelligence composed of? Okay, so based on the word intelligence, just it should be composed. Okay, so previous section just we have seen that what is the exact meaning of the artificial intelligence. So artificial means the man-made. The intelligence means the thinking power. So that thinking power should be capable of the this one. Okay, reasoning, learning, perception, problem solving, and linguistic intelligence. Okay, so what is meant by the reasoning? Just we know that one. Just for example, just we having just some such judgment. Okay, so judgment and the decision making, some other things, reasoning. Okay, this is the reason. So the machine have to give some judgment of the particular problems. They having a own decision and making prediction. Okay, you should be predict what the problem arises in this field. Okay, that is their reasoning. The next one is learning. Okay, it should be the machine should be gaining and knowledge. Okay, so if you are having some particular problem, how the human will learn about the particular problem and how they gain the knowledge. The same thing, the artificial machine should be gaining knowledge about the particular problems or a statement. Okay, so perception. The perception means acquiring. Okay, acquiring organization or exactly we have to tell means a sensor. Okay, sensing some information from the predicted things. Okay, just it should be organized. That is a perception. Okay, the problem solving means it should be having some particular problems. It should be go reach some particular solution. If problem arise, it should be reach the solution. Okay, so it should produce some solution based on that problems. So it should be think and learn and act like a human, and it should be comes with some solution of the particular problems. Okay, linguistic intelligence means how we are learning and how we are going to represent, how we are going to, for example, just a comprehensive. Okay, comprehensive speaking and reading. Okay, or writing. There's some verbs. Okay, from the particular written languages. Okay, but written languages. Okay, just what we are going to use some specific languages like that based on the problems. The machine should be the learn or communicate the speaking skills. It should be having. Okay, so this is a base. This is a different intelligence composed from some other resources. Okay, the next one is the history of AI. Okay, just everyone knows that what is the history of AI. Just I will give you some simple introduction about the history of AI. In the 1943, the first neurons, the first artificial intelligence neurons, it is introduced. Okay, in some the conferences and some of the members, they are introduced how to evaluation of the artificial neurons will come. Okay, that is a 1943. Okay, so between the 1950 to 56, the artificial intelligence is birth. Okay, how it will mean the Turing machine, the different Turing solving some particular problems. The human how they will think. Okay, like that they are decided to design one machine to think and solve some particular problems. Okay, that's a Turing machines. Okay, so in the 1956, the birth of AI. Okay, Denmark the conference that John McCarthy, the author of AI, is John McCarthy. His author just he is present on artificial intelligence concept in the Denmark the conference. Okay, the next one is the 1966 is the first chatbot Elisa. Okay, just everyone know that Elisa is the first robot they are designed, and it is a thing have your own thinking power, and I do some work and some solving some problems based on our instructions, right? So that is in 1966. Next one is 1972. the first intelligence robot. Okay, the robot one. It is established, right? So then, between the 1974 and 1980, the first AI winner. Okay, how it will be means one, two opponents. One is the artificial intelligence machine. One is the human. That artificial intelligence won the some particular task in the between the 1974 and 80. The next one is the 1980. Okay, some export system. Okay, in the artificial intelligence, everyone knows that based on the export system, they are going to design some machine to solve some particular problems. Okay, so in 1987 and 1993, the second AA winner. Okay, just to the second time the AA concept is win the some specific task. Okay, in 1997, the IBM, they are going to implement the first computer to play chess. How to play a chess with opponent human. Okay, so it's just competition. Okay, like that is a 2020, 2011, 12, 14, and last up to the 2015 will be. This is some history of the artificial intelligence, and now in the 2024, from 2022 to data, just we are using the exactly the ChatGPT, using the AI concepts only, right? So this is some certain history of AI. The next one is a different applications of artificial intelligence. Everyone know that various applications of artificial intelligence. Okay, just I'm going to tell about some few certain applications. Okay, the first one is finance. The second one is music. The third one is transportation, toys and games, and the last one is the hospitals management. Okay, the first one is the finance. Okay, so the finance means that we are going to take on bank sectors. Okay, the bank uses AI too for what they are using the AI in the banking systems, organizing operations. Okay, various operations, the debit card, credit card, and nowadays we are using some various scanner, UPI for doing everything. All right, that should be the organized based on the customer needs. Okay, they invest in stocks and the stock markets. Okay, so manage properties, and nowadays our own properties documents or everything is managed in the online only. Okay, so that should be managed by the some artificial intelligence concepts only. Okay, so financial institution have used AI to reduce the charges and claims. Okay, for everything nowadays in India they are charging or claim for every goods, right? That is in that concept, every financial institution they are using the artificial intelligence concepts directly or indirectly. Okay, the next one is music. Okay, so compose, performance, music theory, sound processing, everything is nowadays is acting as based on the artificial intelligence. This is a major area. Okay, just how we are going to tell about some alphabets A to E. So based on that alphabets, the A given some musical performance. The next one is the transportation. Now, we know that every transportation, every vehicles based on the either two wheeler or four wheeler or heavy vehicles. Heavy vehicles, the artificial intelligence is a major role in automobiles. In the automobiles, how it is based on the physiological controller. Okay, so based on this physiologic controller, they are going to develop some automatic gearboxes. Okay, so using the physiological controllers, they are going to be develop some automatic gearboxes. That is first they will test it with the RD and some Tata organizations. Okay, they have fully adopted with the AI concepts only. Okay, so these features are transmitted with the some of physiology concepts. Okay, they based on this physiology controller concepts only, they are going to implement everything based on the artificial intelligence. And next one is the toys and the games. And nowadays, the every kids are having the habit of watching games or watching videos or playing games in the system. Okay, so that will be everything is designed by based on the artificial intelligence only. Okay, certain examples, the video games. Okay, video games of boots. Okay, everything is acting based on the artificial intelligence only. Okay, the next one is the last one. in application of artificial intelligence is hospital management. Okay, so hospitals and nowadays in the hospital also they are using the artificial intelligence concepts. Okay, how it will be means the organize the bed schedules. Okay, so based on the bed schedules, they are shortlisting the available beds for the upcoming patents. Okay, so making a staff rotation. Okay, so artificially they are going to make the slats for all the staff rotations. Okay, so provide medical information, and there are so many more. I mean, more just we are having the medical field. This, if you are telling that applications of AI artificial intelligence, we can tell all the things. And nowadays, in each and every I think they are based on the artificial intelligence only. Okay, so that's a the heart sound analysis, heart sound analysis. The Western project is, suggested doctors to cancer patents. Okay, nowadays a doctor, everyone are having some artificial intelligence to predict some heart based on some medical images, or also that they are using the artificial intelligence concept to help to detect the human tumor, right? So these are some certain basic concepts of artificial intelligence in our day-to-day life. So just I'm going to stop up to this, or the next session which we are going to learn some new things. Thank you.
Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more updates.